Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of gold on daily time frame. I am going to show you high, low and higher highs, higher lows of the market and expected higher high as the market is in bullish trend. This was the low of the market around 1616 and then market went up to this high around 1786. As the low and high were far from each other, so it was easy to show you traders this on daily time frame. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame to see the higher highs and higher lows of the market clearly. This is the 4-hour time frame of gold. Consider subscribing this channel if you want to watch the videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications on time, as you could watch important analysis on right time. And please like and share this video. So let us focus again on the chart on 4-hour time frame. After making this high, market came down for a higher low one around 1725. From here market went up to higher high 1 around 1810. Then market came down for higher low 2 around 1765. From here market went up to around 1824 for higher high 2. Market came down again for higher low 3 around 1773. Now the market is heading towards higher high 3, and let us move to the daily time frame to know probable level for this high. Gold has two resistances ahead. First around 1857 and second around 1998. Now according to my analysis, gold could go up to between higher high 2, that is 1824, and resistance number 1, 1857, or even could penetrate into resistance for higher high 3. Let us see what happens now. This is my analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis.